Want to make your home feel effortlessly modern and incredibly comfortable? These clever Amazon household items blend smart design with everyday convenience, turning simple routines into moments you actually enjoy. From stylish organization to practical upgrades, they're here to make life smoother and your space more inviting. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Baking just got a serious upgrade. This 2-in-1 mixer works as both a handheld blender and a stand mixer, so you can whip cream, beat eggs, or knead dough without switching gadgets. The built-in viewing window lets you watch your batter come together without lifting the lid. Suction feet keep it steady while you work, and cleanup is quick with dishwasher-safe parts. Even the lid doubles as a dough cutter and bench scraper, smart and space-saving. This isn't just a nightstand, it's your bedside command center. A built-in wireless charger plus USB and Type-C ports keep all your devices powered while you relax. The motion sensor LED light switches on as you approach, with 3 color options to match your mood. An adjustable swivel workstation lets you work or snack in bed with ease. With drawers, shelves, and wheels, it's storage, lighting, and convenience all in one. Your campsite just found its new favorite seat. This hammock-style camping chair lets you sway gently while you relax, with a built-in head pillow for extra comfort. The retractable footrest adjusts or detaches so you can sit exactly how you like. A side cup holder keeps your drink close, and the breathable mesh seat keeps you cool. It folds down into a carrying bag, making it perfect for camping, fishing, or picnics. Picnics just got a touch more elegant. This foldable acacia wood table holds your wine bottle, glasses, and snacks all in one spot. No more balancing plates on your lap. The surface keeps fruit and treats from rolling away, while the built-in bottle holder doubles as a handle for easy carrying. It sets up in seconds and folds flat when you're done. Perfect for beach days, concerts, camping, or a cozy date night. Your little ones can lounge in style just like the grown-ups. This kid-sized double chaise is made from durable wood and topped with comfy striped cushions. A 3-sided canopy keeps them shaded while they sip from the built-in cup holders. There's even hidden storage underneath for toys or sunglasses. Perfect for backyard playdates, it's a cozy spot for 2 to relax side by side. Opening cans has never been easier. With just one touch, this electric can opener glides through lids smoothly, no twisting or cranking needed. The sturdy base keeps it steady, so there's no slipping while it works. A removable lever makes cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for any size can, it's a kitchen helper you'll reach for every day. Wrinkled clothes don't stand a chance. This portable travel steamer heats up in just 15 seconds, giving you powerful steam for up to 8 minutes. The compact design slips easily into your bag, so you can keep outfits fresh anywhere. A spill-proof system lets you steam at any angle, and the detachable water tank makes refilling simple. Perfect for clothes, curtains, and more, at home or on the go. Craving ice cream, but don't want to wait? This personal ice cream maker whips up soft serve, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in about 20 minutes. Just freeze the bowl, add your ingredients, and let it work its magic. The built-in chute lets you mix in toppings as it churns. When you're done, enjoy your treat straight from the mug, then tuck everything neatly inside for easy storage. Feeding your little one just got way easier. This clever baby food station lets you fill pouches with homemade puree without splashes or sticky messes. The stable, tip-proof base keeps everything steady, and the anti-splash tubes make filling quick and clean. It's all in one, so you press, fill, and seal in the same spot. Comes with reusable, BPA-free pouches that are freezer and dishwasher safe for stress-free prep. Love cherries but hate the mess? This handy tool pops out 6 pits at once, so you can get to the good stuff faster. A built-in splash guard keeps juice from spraying everywhere, making jam making and snacking way cleaner. The stainless steel design is durable, while the lock feature keeps it compact in storage. Lightweight, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. It's cherry prep without the fuss. Dark corners don't stand a chance with this sleek under-cabinet light. It's rechargeable, motion-activated, and bright enough to light up kitchens, closets, or hallways without flicker or glare. Choose from warm, natural, or daylight tones and adjust the brightness to your liking. The memory function remembers your last setting. Built-in magnets make installation a breeze, and the long-lasting battery means fewer recharges and more hassle-free lighting. Tired of wrestling with stubborn envelopes? This electric letter opener slices them open in seconds. No scissors, no tearing, no fuss. Just slide the envelope in, and the blade does the work automatically, then shuts off when you're done. It's safe, clean, and precise, so your mail stays intact. Compact enough for your desk, yet quick enough to handle a stack in no time. Little hands can be surprisingly clever at opening doors. This simple lever lock keeps curious toddlers safely on the right side. Adults can open it with one hand, while the strong adhesive backing holds it firmly in place without tools or drilling. It works best on smooth, flat surfaces for a secure fit. Just stick it, click it, and relax knowing your doors stay closed to tiny explorers. No more bending or touching the toilet lid with your hands. This clever foot pedal lets you lift and lower the seat completely hands-free. Just step, and the lid moves smoothly thanks to its leverage design. The strong waterproof adhesive keeps it secure, and installation takes only minutes. Perfect for keeping things hygienic and making life easier for anyone who finds bending tricky. Cool air anywhere you want it. This mini clip-on fan is light enough to slip in your pocket, but powerful enough to keep you refreshed. The 360-degree swivel lets you aim the breeze exactly where you need it, and the bladeless design keeps it ultra-safe and whisper-quiet. With 3 speeds and up to 6 hours of runtime, it's perfect for work, travel, or outdoor fun. Your vanity just got a serious upgrade. This sleek cosmetic organizer stores all your skincare, makeup, and tall bottles in one neat, dust-proof case. The built-in LED mirror offers 3 lighting modes, so you can get perfect makeup in any setting. Its waterproof design keeps everything safe, and the rotating mirror makes styling easy from any angle. Clutter-free, stylish, and travel-friendly. It's beauty storage done right. Stairs, curbs, or bumpy sidewalks, this foldable utility cart takes them all in stride. 6 stair climbing wheels and 360-degree swivel fronts make heavy loads easy to move in any direction. The telescoping handle adjusts to your height, while the magnetic lid keeps contents secure. It folds flat in seconds for storage, yet carries up to 176 pounds. Perfect for groceries, books, or gear, wherever life takes you. Keep your seasonings fresh and right at your fingertips. This 3-piece glass container set is perfect for salt, sugar, spices, or even coffee. Each jar has a clear, thick glass body, an airtight lid, and a retractable spoon for easy scooping. The wide mouth makes refilling and cleaning a breeze. Stylish enough for the table and practical enough for everyday cooking, it's storage made simple and elegant. Finding the right necklace or earring shouldn't feel like a treasure hunt. This 360 degrees rotating jewelry box puts your entire collection on display, so you can see and grab what you need in seconds. With 5 drawers, 18 necklace hooks, and soft velvet lining, it keeps everything organized and protected. The glass window adds a touch of elegance, while the vertical design saves space on your vanity. Popping a bottle just got way more fun. This bottle opener doesn't just remove the cap, it launches it across the room like a mini party game. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for breaking the ice at gatherings or adding laughs to a barbecue. Made from durable materials with a stainless steel opener, it's built to last. Just remember, aim away from faces and let the fun fly. Shaving or washing your feet in the shower doesn't have to be a balancing act. This suction cup footrest sticks firmly to smooth walls, giving you a stable spot to rest your foot. No drilling, no damage. Just press, lock, and it's ready to use. Its angled design keeps you comfortable, and you can adjust the height for anyone in the family. Perfect for safer, easier shower routines. Turn any corner of your home, or even the outdoors, into a personal spa. This inflatable soaking tub sets up in minutes with the included electric air pump, then folds away just as easily. A zippered cover locks in warmth for a long, relaxing soak, while the cushioned backrest keeps you comfortable. Use it in the bathroom, balcony, or even the garden. Soft, portable, and cozy. Your bath, your way. Whip up hot, fresh breakfast sandwiches in just 5 minutes, right at home. This dual sandwich maker cooks 1 or 2 at a time, perfect for couples, kids, or guests. Use your own bread, eggs, cheese, and fillings for healthier, tastier results than fast food. The countdown timer beeps when they're ready, and the non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze.